I'm Peter Spragata, Vice President of Product Management here at Itential, where we deliver the world's leading network and cloud automation platform. In the coming year, I think you're going to see network automation for the first time really start to help organizations to not have to rely on the hero culture that has been built over time. Enterprises are going to start to be able to leverage Itential's automation platform to deliver on the promises of operational efficiencies around how you automate your network and cloud infrastructure. The second big trend that we're going to see this year is the proliferation of 5G services. This is going to enable enterprises to push their applications further out to the edge and closer to users. In order to be able to achieve this, customers are going to turn to automation platforms to really deliver on network and cloud services automation. Third, I think we're really going to start to see enterprises adopt a multi-cloud strategy in terms of how they want to deploy their applications and services. In order to be able to do that, they're going to turn to automation platforms that focus on allowing them to quickly and efficiently be able to turn up infrastructure in an automated fashion. In conclusion, I think that in 2022, you're going to see enterprises continue to accelerate their adoption of network and cloud automation platforms to really deliver on these new and exciting trends.